Easter pie is a NEPA tradition, and these 5 spots are doing it right this Easter season. At Carmen's Bakery and Deli in Hazleton, they're sticking to a recipe that's over 100 years old. Inspired by Grandma and made the old-fashioned way, it's proof that some traditions are just too perfect to change. K's Italian Restaurant and Pizzeria in Moscow packs their Easter pie with ham, salami, pepperoni, and sausage, plus ricotta, mozzarella, and American cheeses. It's rich, hearty, and always in high demand. Osborne Cookie Company in Scranton is serving up a piping hot pie loaded with soppressata, ricotta, basket cheese, and hard-boiled eggs. It's a must-have in the Electric City during Easter season. The Cheese Store and more in Hazleton dishes out Easter pie by the slice, and you can also pre-order half or full pies. These beauties come marked with a cross and packed with ham, pepperoni, and salami. Antonio's Pizza in West Pittston makes a 10-inch Easter pie available by pre-order, with a limited number of slices ready in store for the season. Looking for more Easter food specials around NEPA? Check out DiscoverNEPA.com for a full list of local spots.